Also back now, some videos of Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw from the AI Impact Summit 2026 may have gone viral, showing him that vibes are actually good at the event. Take a look.
Solutions दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको?
Yes, vibes are also quite positive.
Super, vibes are good.
Yes.
कैसा लग रहा है? एनर्जी ठीक है? नए solutions दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको?
Yes, vibes are also quite positive.
Super, vibes are good. Super, very good. Can we invite you to the IBM? बंगला बिची असंध्या किची नाही तर ठीकठाक सब जीवासी समस्त ओडिशा
नहीं सर, हम इंदौर से
इंदौर से आए हो? ठीक है सारी व्यवस्था कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई? वेरी थैंक यू क्या दिखाना है आपको?
Can I see one selfie?
Solutions दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको?
Yes, vibes are also quite positive.
Super, vibes are good.
Yes.
कैसा लग रहा है? एनर्जी ठीक है? नए solutions दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको?
Yes, vibes are also quite positive.
Super, vibes are good. Super, very good. Can we invite you to the IBM? बंगला बिची असंध्या किची नाही तर ठीकठाक सब जीवासी समस्त ओडिशा
नहीं सर, हम इंदौर से
इंदौर से आए हो? ठीक है सारी व्यवस्था कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई? वेरी थैंक यू क्या दिखाना है आपको?
Can I see one selfie?
India AI Summit 2026 has now commenced. This 5-day flagship event is boasting to be one of the largest AI summit in the world and in fact the first from the global south. All around me you'll be able to see thousands of exhibitors who've come in here to showcase how India is leading, in fact, the conversation of AI when it comes to the global stage. Around us, multiple solutions on the screens. First is a legal aid AI solution. Right next to it is Meta. On the other hand, we're also seeing sovereign AI models that are developed through Indian literature to describe and in fact tackle Indian problems. All around us, in fact, there is AI in health, in education, in social sector as well. And the entire core of this theme for India AI Impact Summit remains around Sarjan Hitai, Sarjan Sukhai, which means welfare for all and happiness of all. So how to put planet, people and progress together in a comprehensive way in order to use artificial intelligence is going to be the core of the conversations that take place here at Bharat Mandapam in the national capital over the course of the next 5 days. At the India AI Impact Summit 2026, we're seeing, in fact, innovations in the field of artificial intelligence cutting across segments. Remember, this theme for this year's Impact Summit is Sarjan Sukhai, Sarjan Hitai, welfare for all and happiness of all. And one key element of that remains the health segment. On your screen, you can see, in fact, a live demonstration of how AI-embedded abdominal scans can work and transform the field of health care infrastructure in our country. And joining us right now is Wipro Intelligence Chief Technical Officer, Miss Sandhya Arun. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us. Please talk us through about what are we seeing here. We see multiple hooks, in fact, here, a robotic arm perhaps.
That's right. So at Wipro, we have the Wipro Intelligence, which includes all of our platform solutions and innovations around AI. What you're seeing here is an embodied AI example where AI is embodied inside a robotic arm.
I see.
So the robotic arm can independently scan the abdomen with the help of a technician just to ensure there is a human touch. And what you're seeing on the screen here is how AI uses that scan to identify any issues that the patient may have and then also diagnose and recommend a course of action based on
all
the
of that. So it is the scanning, the diagnosis, as well as recommendations.
Recommendations that AI can do.
This currently, the robotic arm is not just a feat of engineering, but remember, it has AI built in. And that is how it is able to, in fact, give the patients as well as the doctors real-time information on the status of the patient. with video journalist Mohan. This is Kritika Tiwari for Times Now.
All right, with that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.